In today's video, I'll be sharing with you what I've learned from my top performing law firm Advertisement. This one ad has made me over $3 million in net attorney's fees. I'll be sharing with you all those lessons with you in today's video. So I spent over $4.5 million in advertisement, and I've learned so much from that experience in the legal field that I'll be sharing with you. And the funny part is, for one of our law firms, for this one law firm, I've tested over 500 ads, and there's still one ad that is still converting for the longest time, and it's also getting us the most clients. And there's a lot of things that I learned from that one particular ad that I'll be sharing with you, and also the reason of success for being able to generate so many clients. So number one, I don't know what, that's from my old videos, but it's all good. So the top advertisement, top law firm advertisement, top ad, whatever you want to call it, is number one is instead of talking about you, your law firm, or what you do, you call out the problem. So I've noticed a lot of my competitors who were just their ads, when I saw their ads, they were just saying, hey, if we're this type of lawyer, we could get you this stuff and this stuff. And I realized, rookie mistake. Don't do that, because that's what a lot of people do. Don't talk about yourself. Your advertising isn't about you. It's about your clients. And what problem do they have? What's the issue? They have problems. So talk about that problem in simple, easy, layman term language. So my ads were focused on the problem itself that they were having, and again, in easy language. Even that part, sometimes my competitors would talk about the problem, but they would make it like very complicated language. I just simplified it and I just focused on the problem. As soon as I did that, that's when I saw my ads really blow up, and it started resonating with people and started getting the leads from it. So if you're running ads right now, ask yourself, is it addressing the specific problem itself? Number two, define a top ad for a law firm, defines the top 3 results the client gets. Okay? Make it very crystal clear exactly what they're gonna get it as a result of you helping them, and not necessarily what they get. So they just say if you do immigration, they don't get a green card. It's about what did they get as a result of them getting a green card? Well, they're able to stay in the US, let's just say. They're able to, get a job, things like that. So always ask yourself, what's the end result? And you need to, the way I always look at it is that your top 3 results. And again, a good way to figure this out is go ask your past clients, or in your intake, ask that, hey, what are you hoping to achieve from this? And use your client's language to exactly know what's the top results that you're gonna get for your clients, and use that in your ad. Number 3 is make sure you know who you're targeting. Okay? The who doesn't matter nearly as much for the targeting purposes, which, by the way, Facebook doesn't care about targeting anymore. That's a whole other story. Instead, you want to know the who, so you can talk directly to specifically those people. There's certain words that they know, there's a certain way that they talk, there's a certain image that they have of what they look like. You want to make your advertisement to match those people. Okay? So I'm giving you clues for that. Okay? Who are those people? Make sure your ad matches those people. Use their language, use those visuals that kind of falls into the typical world. Okay? And a lot of advertisements are usually, if you look at your Facebook or your feed, it's always like personal or organic looking pictures. Nothing out of the ordinary. Not too much information, not too much. So make sure, again, be crystal clear on the who and make your ad based on that. And number 4 is, for it to be a successful law firm advertising, is make sure you have virtual and in-house dedicated, maybe that's the main buzzword, intakers signing up clients. Okay? I see a lot of lawyers, actually recently it's been coming out, depending on these virtual receptionist service, I'm not gonna call out the names, but a lot of these virtual receptionist service that charge either per minute or per call to take on your calls. And it's okay for some law firms, but for most law firms, that's not a sustainable way to be able to successfully sign up as many clients as you can. Ideally, in an ideal world, You want to have dedicated, that's the main buzzword again, dedicated, people who are just in charge of signing up clients. And they could either be virtual or in-house, or again, are dedicated to take on the call, to be able to qualify the lead, to be able to send the retainer agreements, and to follow up. Especially that last part, the follow-up is crucial. So don't depend on these virtual receptionist service. It's okay if you have less than 5 calls a day, but if you have more than 5 calls a day, make sure you have this part down. If you can implement all of these, you will do really well with the law for advertisement. Again, that's to recap, focus on the problem, then define the top 2 results your clients will get in easy layman language. Know exactly who this is for so you can make the ad for those people, and make sure you have virtual and enough staff in-house to be able to take on these calls quickly, get them on the phone, and sign them up right away. Being able to apply this to be able to at least sign up over 15,000 clients. Even for one of our law firms, we're signing up 200 clients a month, which is astronomical to even think about. Applying these concepts, and it works incredibly well. All right, so if you got value from this video, take a moment right now to like this video, do it. And also, if you haven't already ordered the book, Virtual Law Firm Secrets, where I share all my secret sauces, make sure to use the link in the description right below to grab this book and order this book, because I share a lot of good ideas in here that you'll be able to apply for your law firm. And I don't know why, if you haven't subscribed yet, take a moment right now to subscribe right now and share this with one other law firm owner. Think about one other person you can text this to and text it to them right now. They'll appreciate it and you'll get good karma from it. All right? I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.